So this is the first how-to marketing video we're going to provide you with, specific for local business owners, just to show you, how to use social media to your benefit, how to get the most out of it. So I want to go ahead and first show you how to add multiple links to your Instagram profile page. So if you're familiar with Instagram or you're not so familiar with Instagram, Instagram allows you to put one link on your page, on your profile page. So usually people put either their homepage, or if you're a restaurant, maybe an ordering page for people to buy food. If you're closed right now, some people are putting GoFundMe links, but some businesses we've noticed, have multiple links that are really important, whether it's like the weekly Zoom call they do, or, an ordering link, or their website. They want to direct traffic to multiple sources. So there's a way now, a completely free way, that you can use this link to have more than one link on your profile, which is very useful. We use it on our own support local page. So I want to go ahead and show you kind of what it looks like, and then how you can create an account for yourself and then create the link as well. So this is a support local page. This is a profile view. So if you click right here on the link tree, you see that we have multiple links. So our newsletter link, our featured story right now, all of our business stories, resources for local businesses, and then our homepage. So the way that we were able to do that was by creating an account on Linktree. So if you go to, it's linktr.ee. So I'll try to kind of highlight that here. So if you go to that link, you're going to have to go ahead and create an account. You can't actually sign in with Instagram anymore, so you're going to have to create an account with a username and an email address. So go ahead and do that, and then once you've done that, it will send you to this screen, which is the Linktree admin screen. So on here, you'll see that there are multiple links that you can add. So what you do is, right here, you type in the text you want to actually display. And then right here, you type in the actual link that you want to direct people to. And then this little green button here toggles the link on or off. So if I were to take it off, it would disappear from this list right here. If you can see, it disappeared. And if I toggle back on, it will show. So it will update immediately. So you can always have more links, and then just decide accordingly. We decided with 5. We thought it was a good number, just different links to link people to our homepage, have them ask them to sign up for our newsletter or whatever it be. So yeah, you can go ahead and create an account here, and it's super useful. And like I said, it's completely free. Again, the URL is linktr.ee. So it's completely free, which is awesome. They do have paid plans. I'll show you. So the appearance that you can pick from different looks. So we kind of went with the pink look to kind of offset the blue in our logo, but you can pick other different types of looks. They have, green, blue, black. All these down here are free. If you did want to upgrade and, do something specific to your brand, you could always go pro. But yeah, like I said, we just used a free account. It's totally fine. It does exactly what we need it to do. And then, upload your logo right here. And that's basically all you need is your logo, background, and then the links that you want to add on. And then once you have your link tree set up, right here in the top right corner, you'll see it says My Linktree. So you want to go ahead and just copy that, take it over to your Instagram profile, and then go to your settings. So usually in like the upper right hand corner, or on your profile page if you're on your phone, you can find the drop down for settings. And then you can go ahead and add your link into there. So yeah. And then that link, when customers click on it, will show all the links that are provided on your link tree. And like I said, it's completely free. So it's a really awesome tool to use to direct people to more than one landing page or website link. So yeah, that's all from me. Thanks so much. We'll be creating more marketing how-to videos, just simple tricks and tips of how to enhance your business online. So if you have any requests of any type of videos you want to see, let us know, and we'll try to make that quick video for you. All right, thank you.